Hi sir, my name is Deshni from batch 19. Today I am going to present about rational emotive behavior therapy. Rebate is the pioneering from cognitive behavior therapy developed by Dr. Albert Ellis in 1955. Rebate, rebate is an action-oriented approach to managing cognitive, emotional, and behavioral disturbance. According to According to the rebate, it is largely our thinking about events that lead to emotional and behavior upset, with emphasis on the present. Individual are taught how to examine and challenge their unhelpful thinking, which create unhealthy emotional and self-defending, self-saboting behaviors. And also, rebate is a practical approach to assist individuals in coping with overcoming adversity as well as achieving goals. Rebate places a good deal of its focus on the present. Rebate address attitudes unhealthy emotional, example unhealthy anger, depression, guilty and extra, and maladaptive behavior, example addict behavior, agonist, unhealthy eating, sleep disturbance, and extra, that can negatively impact life satisfaction. Rebate practitioner work closely with individuals seeking to help identify their individual set of beliefs. And lastly, rebate then provides a variety of methods to help people reformulate their belief into more sensible realities and helpful ones by employing the powerful rebate technique called disputing. Ultimately, rebates help individuals to develop a philosophy and approach to living that can increase their effectiveness and satisfaction at work, in living successfully with others, in parenting and educational setting, in making our community and environment, and in enhancing their own emotional health and personal welfare. Thank you.
Hi sir, I am Darshini Murali. I want to present about what is theory. Rational emotive behavior therapy is a type of therapy introduced by Albert Ellis in the 1950s. It's an approach that helps you identify irrational beliefs and negative thought patterns that may lead to emotional or behavioral issue. Once you identify these patterns, a therapist will help you develop strategies to replace them with more rational thought patterns. Rational emotive behavior therapy can be particularly helpful for living people with a variety of issues, including depression, anxiety, addictive behaviors, phobias, dis- disordered eating habits, aggression, and sleep problems.
Hi, my name is Praveen Raj Narakivalu. I want to continue about what is story about Dr. Albert Ellis. Albert Ellis, 1957-1962, proposed that each of us hold a unique set of questions about ourselves and our world that serve to guide us through life and determine our reaction to the various situations we encounter. Second one, unfortunately, some people's social and largely irrational, leading them to act and react in ways that are inappropriate and that prejudice their chances of happiness and success. Albert Ellis calls this basic irrational as cubism. Lastly, some people irritation assume that they are failures if they are not loved by everyone they know. They are constantly weak approval and repeatedly feel rejected. All their interactions are affected by its assumption so that a great party can leave them dissatisfied because they don't get enough compliments. Thank you.
Today I am going to present about what is the concept of rational emotive behavioral therapist. Albert Ellis developed rational emotive behavioral therapy, a brief, direct and solution-oriented therapy which focus on resolving specific problem facing a troubled individual. Rational emotive behavioral therapy is the first form of cognitive behavioral therapy first set forth by the Ellis in 1953. Fundamental to rational emotive behavioral therapy is the concept that our emotional results solely form our beliefs, not by the events that occur to our lives. Therefore, it is the utmost importance for our beliefs to be healthy and rational, because the consequence of this belief will be emotional growth and happiness. If our beliefs are irrational and self-defeating, our emotional life suffers from neuroses such as self-blame, depression, and anxiety. Rational emotive behavioral therapy is an educational process in which therapist teaches the client how to identify irrational belief, dispute them, and replace them with rational ones. Once the client is equipped with healthy belief, emotional difficulties and problematic behavior are abated.
Hi, good morning, sir, and my dear fellow friends. My name is Vaitishwari Suppaya. Today, I want to present about the technique of rational emotive behavior therapy. There are three types of techniques, such as cognitive technique, emotional technique, and behavioral technique. Let's see it. Cognitive techniques aim to teaching clients how to deal with self-statement, so they that no longer believe them, and encourage them to acquire to philosophy based on the reality. Secondly, emotive techniques. It helps to client to understand the value of the unconditional self acceptance and other unconditional acceptance, even though the behavior too difficult to accept, can decide to see themselves and others as worthwhile. Finally, behavioral therapy. One of the best way check out modify a belief of act. Clients are to be checked out of evidence for their fact and their act in way they disprove them. That's all. Thank you for watching my presentation, sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhirami Ponudurai from batch 19. Today I am going to present about the conclusion of rebirth. Rebirth is generally accepted as an effective type of therapy. A 2017 review trusted source of 84 published articles on rebirth concluded it's a valid treatment that can help with obsessive compulsive disorder, social anxiety, depression and disruptive behavior. And also rebirth is a type of therapy that can help with a range of mental health conditions. It's similar to CBT, but there are some key differences between the two. If you're looking to reframe some of your thought patterns, rebirth may be a good approach to try. Thank you guys.